All right, check it out. Got a 2x4 right here. Just cut it into 20-inch pieces. Gonna cut these also into 20 inches to actually fit this filter, which is 14 by 20. And then I also have some flat strapped ones too. So yeah, that's the beginning of the filter for it's going to be the intake for the attic. Alright, I cut all these metal pieces right here. So there's 4 right there to slide the filter in, and then this is going to be the bottom, which is about 14.5 inches. These are about 20 inches. Alright, so here it is, check it out. Here's the frame. So you're going to be able to slide it up at the top right here. Pull it down. And I have more frames right here. I'm going to actually put this right here on the wood so we can throw it in and out, no problem. What's this on the side? The wood right there. So that's going to be the frame. And then that will be more support because the intake is going to be on the other side of that. Let's check it out. Here's the filter. And then that's what the other side looks like. So this is going to have the fan on this side blowing air into the attic. So I put this here just so kind of just doesn't get sucked in or anything, but you know, just a little bit of reinforcement. The fan's gonna go on this side, and then this is gonna be screwed over onto the attic. Alright, so we flipped these brackets to the other side because the fan's unidirectional, it's not bidirectional, so I basically flipped the brackets, and then on the other side with the holes I made them a little bit bigger, and then put these brackets, and you can see right here, some of those that I have, Home Depot has them, and yeah, it's just protect the front in case the blade flies out, I guess. So I'm gonna put another one going from there to here. I'll skip the torture of watching me drill the holes out and screwing them in, but that's the next step right now. All right, so check it out. Put the straps on up at the top now. The ventilation is going to be coming out this direction, and then this is going to be bolted onto the filter side. So this is just extra precaution, just in case the propeller flies out or I don't know, wants to chase after me. But yeah, we'll be putting up the filter next. All right, so check it out. This is the complete structure of the fan with the filter. And I was testing it with this cord also, but you can see it's has a filter on it right there in the back. You could change it. And it's going to bring air into the attic. Reverse this, changed the housing right here. It was over here, flipped it over there, down there too, and then added these straps right here for just precautions. So this actually blows inwards into the attic, and it's gonna have a nice filter right there, bringing the air from the exterior to the interior. All right, everyone, the final truth. So I actually added another piece of wood behind this right here to make it have better support. And then I added another one over here too. I also got my skeleton right here. So this is it, man. This is gonna blow a lot of air in. So let me plug it in. All done. Let's see. There it goes. Color hasn't flung out yet. Definitely cooling it down here. Hope everyone else tries this out. Definitely can cool your attic down much more faster. Thanks a lot. Please share with everyone. There's the other vent too. Might put another one over there. I'm not sure yet. But I just want to show you guys the rest of the attic. So I put this up too. It's radiant barrier. Keep it a little more cool. But it definitely cooled it down quite a bit. So you can see up here in this area, the heat is hotter up there than here. And then here's the exhaust right here. Check that out. So I had these two going for a while. And so I got the intake in the front and the exhaust in the back now. But yeah, it definitely cooled down this attic right now. I'm up here late afternoon and it's probably about, let's say about 100, 105 up here right now. It probably normally would be hitting about 115, 120 or so at this time. Outside right now is about 80 something. But the real test will basically be during summertime when it'll probably hit 90s to 100. That's the real test. But yeah, it's definitely worth it, I think. Putting a radiant shield up on top. Up here is a couple $100, and the fan, another fan. I don't know. I actually had an extra one because one of these right here, the blade broke, so I had an extra fan. And then I basically went to the manufacturer, got another blade for like $46. So that's the one up in the front, the intake. But yeah, thanks a lot. I hope some of you guys like this and able to maybe build something similar with the filter for the intake. Thanks a lot.